What is the proper way to use the phrase, Mashallah?
Hello and welcome. Today, we're diving into the world of cultural phrases and their significance. Our focus will be on the Arabic phrase, Mashallah, its meaning, and most importantly, how to properly use it in conversation.
What does Mashallah mean?
Mashallah is a phrase that's commonly used in the Muslim world. It's derived from Arabic and it literally translates to, what God has willed. It's used to express appreciation, joy, praise, or thankfulness for an event or person that was just mentioned. It's a way for Muslims to acknowledge that all good things come from God and are ultimately a result of His will.
When should you use Mashallah?
Mashallah is typically used in positive contexts. For example, if someone just had a baby, got a new job, or even bought a new car, saying, Mashallah, would be appropriate. It's a way of expressing happiness for someone's blessings while simultaneously recognizing that those blessings are from God. Here are a few examples. When someone shows you their newborn baby, you can say, Mashallah, your baby is beautiful. If a friend just got a promotion, you could say, Mashallah, your hard work paid off.
Can anyone use Mashallah?
While Mashallah is an Arabic phrase used predominantly by Muslims, anyone can use the term when appropriate. It's a phrase of goodwill, so using it will often be appreciated. However, like any cultural phrase, it's essential to use it respectfully and in the proper context to avoid misunderstanding or offense. So there you have it, the meaning and correct usage of Mashallah. The next time you find yourself in a situation where you want to express joy or praise for someone's good fortune or blessings, feel free to use Mashallah. It's a beautiful term that acknowledges the role of the divine in our everyday blessings. Remember, it's all about the context and intention behind your words. Thanks for watching, and until next time, take care.